G'day, I'm Paul. So when it comes to fast convertibles, they don't get much faster than that. That is the Aston Martin V12 Vantage convertible. It looks so good. I love the fact that you can still buy a V12 engine Aston Martin at the moment. And I'm in the MG Cyberster, which is basically the fastest car MG sells. It's a convertible as well, but it's all electric. It doesn't have any cylinders. So it's going to be an interesting drag race. Elbows, run me through the specs on that thing.
This is a twin-turbo 5.2 litre V12, so it is an absolute monster. It's got 515 kilowatts of power and 753 newton meters of torque. Look, it's big. It's a little bit heavier than I would like, but I reckon if I can get my launch right, you're not going to have a hope in hell.
This is 2 tons, so this is big as well, but we're almost matched for torque. This is around 700 newton meters of torque, so it's going to be interesting. You're rear-wheel drive, so that's going to be a little tricky. I'm all-wheel drive, so it will be interesting to see how it goes. So what we're going to do, we're going to drag race down the quarter mile here, then we're going to do a roll race, and at the end I'm just going to be quiet so you can listen to the exhaust sound on that thing and see the exact numbers we log. A big shout out to MG for helping us cover the cost of putting all this on. And if you do want to check out our single car review of the Cyberster, where I put it through its paces at our proving ground, you can use the link in the description below. And finally, a massive thanks to our mate Lawrence, who has loaned us some of his incredible cars to run some of these drag races. So I reckon we need to get started. All right, Megan, if you're happy to count us in, please. All right, I've got this in Super Sport, and I'm going to put launch control on.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, a little bit of wheel spinning there off the line. I have destroyed him.
God, this is embarrassing.
Oh, this is mega quick, far out. Okay, so your launch was non-existent. Your wheels were like spinning off the line, but nothing was happening.
Yes, it didn't actually activate launch control. It just sort of sat there and looked at you drive off. So I want to do that again.
Okay, let's go back and do that one more time. Now, it is very obviously wet here, which is not helping Elbows over there, but I can't control the weather, unfortunately. I think even if he did have traction, I'd still probably have him. This feels so much quicker than that. But we'll see what happens when we do the roll race, because I think that's where, if you don't have traction off the line, it kind of makes it a little fairer.
Launching on go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, that was good. Man, this thing out of the box is unreal.
Ah, come on.
You know what? He doesn't even really catch up to me all that much. Like, he's still ages behind. You know, I'm just thinking that even if you do get a launch there, I just think this is significantly quicker. I'm surprised by how much quicker this is. When we go to our roll race now, I think it'll be closer, but I just don't know that you're going to have any luck catching me.
Well, I had launch control working that time. Didn't seem to do anything, did it?
Yeah, look, I know it's wet and that's rear-wheel drive, but yeah, I don't know. It just does not seem to even catch me. Once you get traction, you're still sort of nowhere to be found. This is sort of light years ahead. So actually, you know what we should do? Should we take the roofs off?
Yes, we should totally do a race with the roofs off. That would be epic.
All right, let's do that. Then at least I can hear that. Well, I won't be able to hear it because I'll be far in front of you, but anyway. Now, Elbows, I thought before we do our roof down drag race, I want you to feel like you've achieved something today. So what if we do a roof down drag race, as in how long it takes the roof to come off?
I'm happy to do that, but did you know that the roof in your car is out of a BMW Z4? Same company that makes the roof for that car makes it for the Cyberster.
Oh, well, there you go. You learn something new every day. All right, Megan, count us in when you're ready.
3, 2, 1, go.
Go, go, go!
Oh, God. I'm so much faster.
Bastard. You bastard.
Oh, look at this.
All the way to the end.
I'm like...
Look at you winning something.
I won by at least a quarter mile there.
And I think we need to go proper convertible windows down as well. Now, you probably won't hear anything that we're about to say, so just enjoy a bit of wind noise for the next 400 metres or so.
Launching on go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, this does not get old. That does sound good though. You can't hear me, so anyway. Ah. Woo. Ah. I'm losing. Oh yeah. Oh, there is so much wind. Let's go back and do a roll race.
I am so slow.
Yes.
This
correct.
is so slow. What is going on?
Okay, so we're doing a roll race now. Albors has selected his optimum gear. This is electric, so I'm just going to mash the throttle. When Igor over there with his hat drops it down, we're going to be doing about 50 k's an hour, and then we'll see how we go. He might have some luck here. You never know. Oh, look at him just jumping ahead, ready to go.
All right, I'm going to pick a second gear, 50 kilometers an hour. Heaps of torque, right? I should win.
Oh, that's not too bad.
Come on, come on, come on, have some legs. Have some legs. Yes!
Oh no, oh no! What? What?
Yes! Oh, I'm winning. Yeah, baby.
What? What? That is not okay.
Oh, that was so good. I actually won something.
I'm so confused.
I think traction is the big deal here. Clearly, this car isn't as slow as I was giving it crap for, but it certainly can't get off the line in the slightest damp temperatures.
Yeah, let's do that just one last time, because I felt sorry for you a little bit, and I may not have been as sharp as I should have been on reaction. So just one last time on that. Okay, here we go. This time I will be much sharper on that throttle. I'll watch him like a hawk.
I'm going to win again to prove that it wasn't luck, but pure skill.
That's better.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, this is going to be close.
Come on, I'm getting him, I'm getting him.
Oh, no.
Oh, that was like, I don't know who won actually.
I am going to have to defer to the judges on that. I've got no idea who won that. Sean, give us the news over the radio.
Albors, the good news is you didn't lose that badly. It was about a bumper in it.
Yes, I have won. That is all I need to hear from this conversation. Thank you, Sean. Now, this is where I'm going to throw to the part where I'm just going to be quiet and you get to hear what these cars sound like accelerating down the quarter mile. That was exciting. I think, to be honest, it did help that it was slightly wet. But yeah, I feel like they've just jammed a V12 into that for the sake of doing it. I think the V8 is probably the better engine, and ironically it's not theirs. But anyway, if you did enjoy this video, please make sure you like it and share it with your mates. Big shout out to the legends here at Wild Catchem, all of the volunteers that are out here while we're doing drag racing this week. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon as well so you can find out every single time one of these drag races goes live. But until next time, take it easy.